Hi there, traders. This is Brad Gilbert with today's trading action. All right, now the risk-off sentiment's still in play, or a bit of a US dollar safe haven trade, right? You're seeing dollar yen, dollar Swiss, the dollar index, even dollar CAD to the top side, euro, sterling, Aussie, Kiwi getting a little bit drilled. The Aussie's holding in there, and that's probably not a surprise since the RBA is on hold for an extended period. Now, so when you come and look at the economic numbers today, like really, when you get some numbers, the Swiss CPI, some S&P numbers out of the UK, etc. Like these are all going to be side passed or tracked. There's no focus on that data. And what we're seeing basically in the market, if I look at the live trade analysis from our website, you've got a situation where the short-term direction is completely against the long-term direction. These instruments are all over this shop, so there's no uniformity with momentum or direction, short term and long term at the moment. And that's why the markets have switched off. If the traders in the banks see situations like this, they just turn away from it, right? There's no need to be chasing the market. If anything, and it's very hard, I was just going to say, if anything, you're looking for the turn in the market, but it's hard to identify with the geopolitical events. So just keep an eye on the news. I mean, as long as Israel are bombing everyone else and getting bombed, I can't see like any reasonable trading opportunities, right? Like, is the ceasefire going to be a thing that triggers the big down move in the dollar, right? Maybe, but that could take weeks to unravel. I'd say within another 2 or 3 days, the market will be over this event and the markets will start not working normally. But you know what? We're coming into Friday, non-farm payrolls. So it's going to be a little bit weird because it's going to be hard to determine where things go, whether this data is strong or weak. At the moment, we see the dollar rallying, right? So you'd think stronger numbers. Maybe that's it. I don't know, but I don't want to overthink it. But right now, today, I can't see any valid opportunities to sort of be getting into the market with a low risk profile. So my tip is sit on the sidelines, take it easy, wait for the markets to come back to some sort of normal uniformity. Like there's positions here in euro, long positions in euro, sterling, even Aussie and Kiwi that are getting unwound just on the back of this geopolitical event. And when it's finished, they're all going to rally, right? So that's the painful side of it. If you're not trading, it's good to see the pain in the market and just sit back, wait for better opportunities. All right, guys, have a good one. All the best. Cheerio.